Where are we staying?
We're staying at the Starlight.
At Cabana Bay.
At Cabana Bay.
We're in the Starlight wing, I
I
guess.
think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do we have over here first?
All right, we'll keep it kind of simple. They give you a couple of paper plates, which is nice. I don't know if that was somebody left them here. Or
I don't remember that last time. We had to ask for plates at the diner.
Yeah, there's some knives and forks, a coffee machine, a little bitty microwave, and if you
Like we're back in college.
Well, it's funny because when I stayed at a place like this when I was growing up, there was always plates, like real plates up in there.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a refrigerator, and there is no freezer in there.
No
So,
freezer.
Let me pull this out. We got our stuff over here.
And no getting an ice cream and bringing it back.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
There's a large refrigerator.
It is. I love the
And
decor. It's all very
There's the garbage can.
hidden under the nice kitchen sink.
Yeah.
That's nice to have. And the kitchen has an island with 2 bar stools and a couple of charging outlets. You have 2 USBs and 3 electrical outlets.
Yeah.
All right, and then on the other side of the kitchen,
Unfortunately, this is a pull-out couch.
it is a pull-out couch.
Unfortunately, our flight was delayed 3 hours by Sprint, or not Sprint, Spirit. We were going to get probably a little bit better room on the other side facing the pool, but we get the parking lot and
So it might be a little quieter, actually. I mean,
cars.
I don't know how late they can swim.
Till
but
10.
We won't be here.
Yeah.
We'll still be out. We'll be the late ones coming in. All right, and then we have the dresser, which is what I think is so unique about this place, is it has 2 drawers, only 2 drawers.
Yeah.
Oh. But I do like having the sitting area. With the 4 of us, a hotel room is just okay for one night.
Yeah. No,
But
I agree.
for more than one night, we need a little more, just a separate space.
Well, I'm a very early riser, and you're right there behind me, and I'll be up at 4:30.
Yeah.
So I can come out here, turn the TV
No, he
on,
won't.
make some-
He won't be up at 4:30 because we're not going to bed till 2:30.
We'll see. Well, tonight.
So anyway, we do have a little bit of storage over here in the drawers and the tables, and we will have stuff covering everything in a day or so. And the TV is on with all the Universal stuff. They have
One of 2 televisions, and
Yeah.
they have this divider, which kind of gives you like a sitting area, which is nice.
nice little pocket door so that it didn't take up a lot of room space.
And we always forget why there's only 2 drawers.
And the reason there's only 2 drawers over there is because the other 2 are in here,
Yes.
right there. I'm going to be unpacking in just a minute. And then in the bedroom, we have 2 full beds.
I would say I do like the non-digital, which is funny, cute, back in the day.
Yeah, we'll have to
This
have
is
a little class so the girls can tell time.
This is called analog.
And then again, we have only 3 usable outlets because the clock is in one. That may not stay. I don't know. We may unplug it.
And we don't
And then
have-
the lamps above the bed, there is like one for the top. And that's uplight. And then one if you're reading at night. But they're on both sides of the bed. That one didn't get turned on. We got these over here on.
Another outlet over here.
Oh, there is another outlet.
And a weird little cubby here that can be used for,
It's a closet.
You can
That's
put
what Americans call it.
we could put a baby in here.
A
We had
closet.
We had a bassinet, we could put a baby.
There's an iron and an ironing board. Well, but why in heaven would you bring something that needed to be ironed? Universal. And then
Got a safe,
always there's a safe.
some hangers.
We use the hangers. The little pro tip. We hang our bathing suits on these hooks so they can dry a lot easier.
Yep.
And then there is a TV
Another television, which is nice.
in here with a little shelf with nothing that you could put on that.
The remote to lose it. Yes.
Oh, and there is a drawer under the nightstand if you needed a little more space. With 4 people, we always need space. I'm scared to put things in drawers because,
We forget them.
hey, how y'all doing? We forget things in
A
drawers.
full-length mirror, which is always
Another?
a big thing with a girl.
Full length mirror. Hey again.
There's a double hook on the back of this door.
Double hooks, because everyone knows I am all about the hooks.
So
And here's another cool little thing with Cabana Bay.
they have retro shampoo and soap VO5. Which,
VO5 takes me back to the day. I need to smell
let's
that.
see. So it smells just like you would think. It reminds me of that.
Oh, yeah. Love it.
And then also, you don't get
Zest.
fully clean. You get zestfully clean. So.
Wait, let's get that. Let that be the thumbnail.
Not me in the back.
And there's some hand soap.
Yeah, a little bit of hand soap. I like that this shuts off. You can shower and.
This has been like when we stay other places, I do go back and think, I wish this was set up like Cabana Bay. I like their setup. There's 2 sinks. There's a shelf down there for our bathroom bags. Another
lighting.
door.
No hook on the back of this.
I got to start bringing command hooks on vacation, y'all.
So.
I do. There is a hair dryer that's on the wall, so you don't have to worry about bringing a hair dryer. See if he's going to use it. Oh, yeah.
My hair's all
Beautiful.
dry. There's a big hair on it. That's kind of gross. Sorry.
All right. There's some tissues. There's plenty of towels. There's 2 drawers in
I
here.
would say we could use a couple more towels, but.
Well, we always ask for more. And they never have a problem giving them. This is a strange place, I think, for an outlet. There's
There's one on
2
this set and that set.
and
But
2.
there's also a shelf. You could put a phone up here.
You could, and I think we have in the past,
And
like
you know,
charge.
if you need a night light or something on there. Oh, here's a digital
Thermostat.
thermostat. I bet we can't go any lower than 65, and we can.
No, it's locked.
Yeah, it's probably locked.
But all in all, I think this is probably like one of the nicer setups that we stayed in. This is our second time staying in this floor plan.
Yeah, when we stayed at the Sapphire Bay, it was a quote unquote nicer room, but it was a lot smaller. We were on top of each other. You know, it wasn't.
Sapphire Falls.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a nice. Excuse me. It was a nice hotel.
Yeah.
But.
I think that's supposed to be a surfboard. What do you think?
Oh, let me get over here so we can get a look.
No, I meant just the countertop.
The counter. It is shaped a lot like a surfboard.
I do like this lamp over here with the wood. Very retro. So.
I like the backdrop there behind the TV too.
Yeah.
It's nice. So, all in all, I guess we got to go find the kids. We sent them on their way.
Sent them to the pool. They were chomping at the bit to go to the pool. So it's threatening rain, and we got here later than we normally wanted to. So I love these chairs too. I remember sitting in these chairs. I like how everything feels. It's comfortable. This is a good little area to sit at, and I like that these are 2 different sizes.
And they move. They separate.
You can.
We did charcuterie plates a lot last time we were here. We did a grocery delivery. We were here longer.
Yeah.
And so we had the fridge full of fruit and just snacks, and you did make us a big charcuterie plate one time. But we went and got some plates from the diner, real plates, so we could microwave them. And
we brought microwave pork rinds, so
that's gonna be fun.
So that's definitely not retro. But is so one of those lights says "keep on," which I don't know what that means. So I guess we just keep on keeping on.
I don't know, but we're not gonna turn it off because maybe it's the air. I don't know. So we are on the Starlight wing, like I said, and it's just this one hole. When you come out of the main lobby, it's everything to the left. It's that main. So the lobby would be like right here, and we came out and we came down, and we are all the way down at the end on the back side. That's what happens when you fly Spirit and get here 3 hours late. It's okay. We're not going to be in the room that much. And when we are going to be in the room, we will be probably asleep.
So there's a rundown. Good things you need to know. House cleaning, dry cleaning, smoke free.
Yep, no smoking. That's one thing I do like. Cleaning house if we need them to clean. They'll bring us some towels, or they'll do our laundry.
Dry cleaning and whatnot. I imagine it'll be a pretty expensive endeavor.
Available 7 days a week. That's nice.
So, Delicio, Cabana Bay, in-room pizza delivery. Press the pizza button on your room and have it delivered. From 12.
Wait, where's the pizza button?
I don't know. We'll have to go look at that in a second. Let's see. Pizza to go. We can do that. So that's down there at the Bayliner Diner. Is it Bayliner Diner? Yeah. So you can get coffee, smoothies, chocolate, and then you can also scan to reserve.
So last time we were here, it was during 2020. Yeah. So it was, I think we're going to have a different experience. Things were kind of shut down. The pool wasn't running, but it was also October. So,
I don't see a pizza button on here.
Press the pizza button.
I don't have my glasses on, so it doesn't.
I'm coming. Let's find this pizza button because everybody wants to know. How do you get pizza in your room?
Oh,
Alright.
I think maybe that. I don't see it. Oh,
Spa.
delicioso. So that's.
Oh, so it's this one right here.
It doesn't say pizza.
It does not say pizza. You can call the bowling alley. You can call for a wake-up call. You can check the weather. There's a spa and a fitness center. So I never really thought to look at the phone for things like that, but now we will start. So have you stayed at Cabana Bay before? Let us know. And if you've stayed in a different kind of room, let us know that. I know the rooms over by the lazy river
You can actually.
are not motel.
Right.
They are hotel like.
And you can also you get a view of Volcano Bay, which is nice. So.
Yeah, but
Some
we
of them.
had a no.
Ours, we were on this other side, I think, or wherever we were at the other time.
We saw Volcano Bay from Sapphire Falls. No.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, from our room at Sapphire Falls, we could also see.
We didn't see Sapphire. We didn't see Volcano Bay. We saw Rip Ride. A couple of the other rides. We
The
could see
water
Hawaii.
rides,
We could see
the
Hawaii.
log ride
Yeah.
and stuff.
Dudley did
Yeah.
right in those. So.
And Doctor Doom.
Yeah.
I can't wait. Okay. All right, so we're fixing to change and head over to the pool. Maybe get some snacks because there are
Do you know what we need?
restaurants. Some privacy.
We need.
In your flat cap, you asking for privacy?
We need privacy, please.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. It's one of our favorite things to do when we get to a place. We love getting to a place because we're actually here finally. So
I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a nap.
yeah, we've been up since 3:30. So and there's the view if you
Yeah.
must know.
The parking lot and the interstate. But there's a palm tree.
Again, you don't really, I guess, get much choice on that. All right. Okay, guys. We will see you soon. Have a great day.